Welcome back to English Mastery Hub and our series TOEFL versus IELTS. In today's video, we are talking about the TOEFL listening section. The TOEFL listening section, the second section in the TOEFL exam, is 36 minutes long and you have 28 questions to answer. So you need to listen very carefully and make notes that can help you answer the questions. You will get 5 audios to listen to. 2 of them will be dialogues about something related to the university, and 3 will be academic lectures, but of a nature that a first-year student can understand. So you don't have to worry about thinking, well, I don't know everything about biology or I don't know everything about architecture. Critical words will be explained to you during the listening so that you are able to understand and to find the answers. There are 4 types of questions. You can either get a multiple choice question where you are required to choose one answer, or a multiple choice question where you choose more than one answer, or you could order a process, write the process in the correct order, or you could match text to categories in a table. So those are the types of questions that the way you have to answer. The types of questions themselves, there are 8 different types of question. The first one is the main idea. Why did the student go to see the lecturer? For example, the main idea of what they were talking about. The second one is detail, things that support the main idea. The purpose is generally the why. Why did the student go to see the lecturer? To discuss her assignment. Function, why did the lecturer say this? Attitude, how does the student feel? Or how does the lecturer feel? So relying on a person's tone to determine their attitude. Organization, organizing your answer into a specific format. And then connecting content between one thing in the lecture and something in the answer, and then making inferences. Making inferences is a difficult question because the information is not given in the text. You have to look at the information that you have written down from the text, from the lecture, and then you have to make a deduction, make an inference. But these questions will always be prefixed by what does the lecturer imply or what did the student infer. So then you know that it's an inference question, and there's generally one inference question per listening piece. Your total marks then are out of 28, and this is converted to a mark out of 30, as are all the other sections of the TOEFL exam, so that your total is out of 120. And that's all to do with total listening. Remember, the most important thing, take good notes. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.